Good morning, traders. Stephen Davis, RJO Futures, downtown Chicago. Frigid cold here. Hope it's warmer by you. We're going to have a high of 22 on Sunday, and I'm a senior market strategist here to talk to you about the grain markets. Corn has rallied 74 cents off the lows. Soybeans have rallied $1.75 off the lows, and the wheat market has rallied $1 off the fall lows here. So we're trading demand now, and demand is pretty good. The corn market, you're going to see industries. Now that we have $4 corn, you're going to see the demand step up and industries use more of U.S. corn compared to a couple years ago when the price of corn was $7 or $8. So this week, analysts talking corn exports to ethanol exports, which we use from our corn production, exported to Brazil. That's real interesting because Brazil is real competitive in ethanol production. So here's an industry, ethanol exports picking up. So demand for corn is going to continue to be very, very good. Wednesday, you had the third highest volume trade in Chicago Board of Trade history in the corn market. So certainly algorithms and high frequency traders, it's a technical trade now. So keep an eye on these moving averages. The soybean market, it's all about soybean meal. We're taking a breather here today. I don't know if it's over or not yet, but certainly money flowing into soybean meal. There's rumors of cargoes of soybean meal from Argentina coming to the East Coast so we can get this meal to the poultry producers on the East Coast, and really just ridiculous with all the soybeans that we have around in our harvest. So nonetheless, markets can remain irrational longer than you and I can remain solvent. Lord Keynes taught us that, so we'll continue along on this soybean meal story. Monday is the crush number, October crush, real important number. And if they're crushing more soybeans in October, that's going to be bearish. I'm hearing that the November crush reports are going to even be bigger yet. So stay tuned on that regard. The wheat market, Russian troops moving into Ukraine, and immediately wheat gets a 20-cent bid. So, we've seen this before, and there's plenty of wheat in the world. The major wheat producers in the world, they've got wheat. So perhaps this strength in wheat is a selling opportunity. There's no guarantees on that. That's for sure. Looking forward next week, what can drive our markets? Certainly this crush report on Monday is going to be important. But four things I want to mention, and that's South American weather, technical trading, watch your moving averages, watch the 100-day moving average, watch the 200-day moving average. Stock traders will talk to you about the 200-day moving average. So kind of interesting, this corn market stopped right at the 100-day moving average here a week ago. And then certainly fund buying, keep an eye on that. And what's the fourth one is, I mentioned South American weather and technical trading, the moving averages and money flow, and then export sales. And that's important. We had exports this morning, very good in soybeans. They're going to continue to be good. Kind of tepid in corn and okay in wheat, but we've got the grain to sell. And one other thing is I want the soybean meal, the demand right here in North America. Canada, Mexico, buying soybean meal. So you don't have to look any farther than North America, our great country here, USA and Mexico and Canada, for the demand for our grain. So it's a good story, and it's only going to get better. So have a very nice weekend. We'll talk to you next week.
Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.